Understanding cows moo, exploring animal sounds in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and fun aspect of the English language, animal sounds, focusing specifically on the phrase, cows moo. Understanding these phrases not only enhances your vocabulary but also gives you a deeper insight into English culture and everyday expressions. So, let's dive in. Cows moo refers to the sound a cow makes. In English, animal sounds are often expressed as onomatopoeias, words that phonetically imitate the sound they describe. The word moo is the onomatopoeic representation of the sound made by a cow. When we say cows moo, we're essentially talking about the mooing sound that cows make. Onomatopoeia is a fascinating feature in many languages, and English is no exception. These words are formed by imitating the sound associated with an object or action. For example, a dog's bark, a cat's meow, or a clock's tick-tock. They play a vital role in making the language more expressive and descriptive. Understanding onomatopoeias like moo helps in learning the natural way of describing sounds in English. Now, let's see how to use cows moo in sentences. 1. I could hear the cows moo from the farm down the road. 2. The children were delighted by the cows moo during their field trip to the countryside. These examples show how you can incorporate this phrase into everyday conversation, especially when talking about farms, animals, or even describing sounds. In many cultures, animal sounds are used in children's books, songs, and stories to make them more engaging. The cow's moo, for instance, is a familiar sound in many nursery rhymes and children's tales. Also, did you know that the way animal sounds are described varies across languages? This reflects the diverse ways in which different cultures interpret sounds. I hope this video has been informative and enjoyable, especially in understanding the phrase, cows moo, and the concept of onomatopoeia in the English language. Remember, language learning can be fun, especially with phrases as lively as animal sounds. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using these phrases like a native speaker. See you in our next video, and happy learning!